Hello, my name is William Hale. I'm working for my Master of Science in Chemistry from Grand Canyon University. Today we're going to be talking about one specific website that we can use for online learning. First of all, we need to go through why we'll be going through this. We know that the problem for this is that we have a COVID-19 is causing the students and the faculty alike to come together and start working classes online. We have solved this in many ways. But the biggest way for physics would be if you all of a sudden you're being giving a class, if you're teaching physics, you can use this website for the beginning of everything, like your textbook and everything. So let's go ahead and get started with our physics classroom. This classroom has many things that you can do. As we should know that distance learning and online learning has changed over time. Distance learning is the big issue, and online learning is a type of distance learning that utilizes computers and technology. Whereas distance learning just has to make sure that the students are separated um, from each other. The distance learning has been around for 200 years, like I think I said before. It was using the snail mail correspondence courses and videotapes for college classes. Let's continue on with the physics classroom, as you can see here. It's made up of a bunch of things. You can see the tutorial has a lot of things such as the definitions and so forth. They have interactive that you can actually use and use many of those. They continue on. They have the video tutorials as well. And you can see they have on and on of things. One thing I do like to use is the calculator pad. The calculator pad, it shows you that actually they have calculations that are very low level, such as for general physics class students in high school. Honors physics, it gets a little harder. They also have questions that are difficult enough to be using for AP physics or even the first year undergraduate classes in algebraic-based physics. Let's take a look at these. Let's go to Newton's laws, open up the problem set. You'll notice that each of these units have about 30 questions. We'll look at one of them. Okay, 30 questions. We'll just look at question number one just to realize what they have. So you can get a question and just give you the answer, or you can have a gentleman who will give you who will talk real nice for us.
Every good problem solver has a solid understanding of relationships, not just a mathematical equation, but the conceptual meaning of term.
Anyway, the physics classroom. The physics classroom is something you should be using in order to if you ever have to teach a physics class. I use the physics classroom as a textbook. As a matter of fact, I was told on a Thursday, hey, on Monday, Dr. Hill, you're going to be starting to teach physics. So it's a good way to get started. Well, you got to take care. It's nice to have you. Take care.